So tomorrow we depart to go look for the Surmi tribe, one of the rarest tribes in the Omo Valley. It's called Kayo.
Kayuet.
Kayuet.
With cheese.
Kayuet with cheese.
Yeah, cheese from Qatar.
Bunna wetelo. Bunna wetelo. We are in Bonga, Ethiopia. Just arrived for some coffee. Look at the picture. Salam. Salam. Bunna. 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 Bunna wetelo. Bunna wetelo. I'm excited. I'm excited for the coffee. I love. Bunna wetelo. Coffee ceremony. I'ma say ganalo. Ganalo. Thank you. I'm trying to practice. It's kind of hard, but I'ma say ganalo. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Try?
Yeah.
This is perfect.
It's called Kayo.
Kayuet.
Kayuet.
With cheese.
Kayuet with cheese.
Yeah, cheese from Qatar. House.
So this is a tea plantation. Do you know the name of this place?
Whoosh whoosh.
Whoosh Whoosh?
Yeah.
Whoosh Whoosh Tea Plantation. The leaves look really green, like vibrant green. Arriving to MIZAN TEFERI. And this will be the place that we depart from when we head to go see the Surmi tribe. Of course. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, morning.
I'll see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Okay.
Now
Yeah. Good rest.
relax.
Okay. Perfect.
You know, charge
Perfect.
everything.
Perfect. Okay. Salam. Thank you very much. Finally arrived in MIZAN TEFERI. Tomorrow we will depart to go see the Surmi tribe. Overall, this is a really nice hotel. Be staying one night here and then depart tomorrow. And the view. Beautiful. So tomorrow we depart to go look for the Surmi tribe, one of the rarest tribes in the Omo Valley, and they're located in the upper Omo Valley. And from my understanding, they're similar to the Mercy tribe, whereas they use the lip plates to symbolize beauty and the value of the woman. The bigger the lip plate, the more the more cattle that the man has to give when he marries her, I believe. And the Surmi tribe, they do the face paint, and they also do like flowers and stuff. I think they're very artistic. So I'm really excited to getting to see them, to see how they act, their energy, some of their artistic designs, and seeing how they live and where they live. So that's going to be tomorrow. And for now is just a relaxed day, rest day, and it'll be 2 days camping because with the Surmi tribe, there's nothing up there. No hotels, no lodges, nothing. And then start the journey back. Smash a like, and see you guys very soon.